you should still have SS11 open from the previous exercise. Remember, last time we made this chart based on the data that we were given. Now this time round, we're going to change the way this chart looks. There are several ways of doing this, but I'll show you the more common ways. Okay, one way is to click the chart, go up to chart, go to chart type, and this box appears. At this point, we can pick a different style, but for ours, scroll down to chart type, cone, and click cone, click OK, and you can see here, basically the chart has changed from columns to these cones. If you need to, you can resize the chart, make it bigger or smaller. At this point, I'd also like to show you some other options. For example, the cones in this sample are blue, but what happens if you want a different color? You can use your cursor, double click the cone, and this box appears. For example, if you wanted red cones, click red, click OK, and you can see the cones have now changed colors. What happens if you don't like the gray-black background? You can double click on the background and choose perhaps yellow. Click OK, and the background changes to yellow. What happens if you want to change these lines to a different color? Double click the line and color, where it says automatic, let's pick blue. Okay, so they've changed blue. Some other options include changing the fonts and the sizes of the words. So, for example, if I wanted to change the size and color of these words, these months, I can double click the words, go to font, and for example, I can make the color, let's try purple, and I can make the words a bit bigger. How about 11? Now watch this. If I click OK, the words automatically align themselves vertically. So that was automatic. I can double click, change, I can click alignment, and you see this? This lets you choose different angles. So for example, if I wanted the text to be aligned 45 degrees, click and drag to 45, click OK, and you can see the words have changed alignment. Okay, basically anything on this chart can be adjusted. All you have to do is double click on what you want to change, and the box will usually appear. You can change the alignment, change the font. Let's make this a bit bigger because it's the title. Let's try 20, and let's try blue. Okay, click OK, and you can see that chart has now changed. The title is now blue. Okay. Now that you're finished, I'd like you to save this file as SS12 on your removable disk or your 3.5 floppy A, and you're finished.